how to plant and maintain Petunia flower as an ornamental plants for beginners. Petunia is a genus of flowering plants from the family of Solaceae that have trumpet-shaped flowers. This Petunia flower plant originated in South America. Physically, the height of this plant is about 16 to 30 centimeters. The flowers there are single crown and there is a double crown with a variety of colors such as red, white, pale yellow, blue, and dark purple. Scientific classification of Petunia flowers. Kingdom, Platy. Order, Solales. Family, Solaceae. Genus, Petunia. Many people who start planting Petunia flowers at home or their yard because of the beauty of this flower. Here's how to plant more Petunia flowers. 1. Petunia flower seeding. Petunia flower comes from the mountains. So, if you are in the lowlands, maybe your environment is not a suitable place to plant this beautiful Petunia flower. To plant Petunia flowers you can plant with seeds in the form of seeds. Perform seeding of Petunia flower seed first. Seeding is done to anticipate if the seeds are dead and we can still replace the dead seeds with new seeds. When seeding, avoid seeds of petunias that have been sown from direct sunlight. This Petunia flower will not be able to withstand the heat of the sun directly. It is best to place Petunia seeding in a humid place. Keep the seeding area temperature to keep it cool enough for the seeds to grow into sprouts. 2. Planting and care of Petunia flower. After seeds Petunia become sprouts, then prepare the media planting. Prepare the pot with a customized size and also the media planted in the form of a mixture of loose soil, charcoal husk and manure or compost. Do the planting as usual. Do watering twice a day, i.e. in the morning and evening. However, if the weather is very hot, watering can be done as much as 3 to 4 times a day so that the planting medium does not dry out. It takes at least 5 to 6 months for this plant to grow large and after that the Petunia will bloom. So we are discussing about how to plant and maintain Petunia flower as ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.